Yeah.
Many people are experiencing the same revelation that their diet is killing. Look, I was tired all the time. I would hit a nap. I mean, I was always very, very active, so I stayed lean because of my physical activity. But by the end of the day, I need a nap.
Yeah.
I would always take a nap before I'd go to jiu-jitsu. I was
Yeah.
like, I have to take a nap or I can't train.
It was
And
the
it was
same with
because
me.
of carbohydrates.
Yeah, I'd nap about 2 hours a day.
Yeah.
And now I don't nap at all.
Me too.
Well,
Same thing.
That's not exactly true. When I've been zooming around, I take like 2-minute naps when I'm in the airport or whatever. But
Well, that's also, you're probably not getting enough sleep.
yeah, right, exactly.
Big difference. Yeah.
Exactly. So yeah, it's been remarkable. So